So everyone is talking about AI and how it can improve your productivity. But in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make money using AI software. Even Andrew Tate is talking about making money through YouTube automations and AI software. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to teach you how to automate your YouTube channel. First thing, to make content, you need script. And you may be thinking, I'm too young or I don't know how to write script. Do not worry, I'm 26 and I don't know how to make a good script. We are going to use ChatGPT. You may have heard before. And we're going to write on ChatGPT that write me a script. We will use ChatGPT to write our script. Let's write prompt on ChatGPT that how to make money online using AI software. ChatGPT is an AI software which can help you write scripts. So let's open ChatGPT. Now I will write a prompt on ChatGPT how to make money online. Now let's write a prompt on ChatGPT that write me a script on how to make money online as a 16 years old and write me in 300 words. So let's start here. So guys, this is the script, and just like that, in seconds ChatGPT has write me script for my YouTube videos. Now don't need to paste everything. I just can copy some of the script, and now the first part is done. We have the script. Now let's get to the second part. Before AI, it used to take hours to write content for your YouTube channel. Now it only takes seconds. Now the first part is done for our YouTube channel. Let's go to the second part. Now we need an audio file for audio text to speech. Now I'm going to use Lovo.io. You can search other audio text to speech applications on Google. I'm going to sign in and I'm going to use Lovo.io. Click on this new project and choose voiceover, then create and wait for it to get ready. You can choose any person, like click on this and change the speaker. Whatever speaker you want, you can listen to the speaker, how its voice is. I'm not going to change it right now. So just copy and paste the script right here. And after that, just click on ready to generate and wait for some seconds and wait for a minute. Now it's ready and I'm going to play it for you now.
Freelancing. Utilize your skills in writing, graphic design, social media management, or programming to offer services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork.
As you can see, it's not generating my audio files. Now the second part is done. Now let's get to the third part. Now let's get to the last step. Now we have to convert our audio file into video file. For that, I would not recommend to use an AI tool. I would recommend a good software like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci or CapCut because you can make very professional videos. So guys, I'm going to use for this video Pexels for pictures and Lexica.art, and I will use CapCut to generate text for my videos. So guys, listen, do not procrastinate, do not think too much, and just start making videos before it's too late.